Hello YouTube. Today we have a problem with our furnace, and I looked on YouTube and it's seeing like nobody know what they gonna do. So I spent the last few hours messing with it, and I find out how to fix it. What it does when we turn it on, it kick on, but a few seconds later it'll shut off. No flame, no light, nothing. So let me show you what it do. The fan come on, no flame, nothing, and it stopped. And is this is the name to it. Is it? Can you move so I can see the Amana? Okay, 80 Amana 80. Okay, is a old furnace. So what I find out when you let me shut it off. When you give me that light, you pass by on the bottom over there. What is it? Hold on, sorry about that. My light sucks. Okay, you see that over there? Just underneath the fan, you see is a sensor or something over there. Okay, just behind that. And there's two wires go to that. I took them out over here. Can you hold that light for me? And so that's your problem. And when I here is the two wires going to that. I'm sorry, I'm one hand. And when I bypass, the furnace actually did come on. And hold that light. And what I do, I'll just to show you, I bypass it by just to show you. I was messing with it. Okay, just like that. So when I turn it on, just this, see, and that it go underneath over there. So that sensor over there, I don't know what's the name to it, but you can see, you can probably, when you take it out, look on eBay or take it to a furnace supply or something and get a new one. I'll turn it on and look. And look, there we go. Didn't do that before. And now the furnace is on. Hallelujah. Nobody know how to do it, so I just came, I guess just got lucky. So hopefully that video will help you. Send me a question if you want, or if it helped you. But like, and thank you, and have a nice night or day, whatever you are. Bye bye. Hello YouTube. This is the problem. You see that? I don't know if it can focus. Okay, this does not want to focus. Okay, that's the problem. There's two screws holding it, one here, and that go inside. And I guess there's a number on it, 44709. did focus for a minute. Anyway, so we go into the store to get a new one if they have it. If not, I just put that number on eBay and see if they have it. I'm sure they have it. But you can bypass it if it's like really cold winter. You can bypass it until you get you one. All right, hopefully that will help you. Bye bye for now.